On today's episode of Fix It Your Motherfucking Self, a little different today because we already diagnosed the problem. But we're going to show y'all what we're going to do anyway. Well, first, these got all corrosion, so we're going to change out them battery cables. This is a 2003 Nissan Sentra. And what I originally came here for, my girl called me up, said her daughter's car, she hydroplaned, and this was the old stud. Yeah, I had to pop that out with a hammer. Now we gotta go to the auto store, get a new stud, pop that bitch in and get a new lug nut, cause when her daughter hydroplaned to hit the curve, that motherfucker broke completely off. You see, stud looks like that. It ain't supposed to look like this. So we'll holler at y'all. Well, we got the new stud in. Got the new lug nut also. Now we're gonna put Humpty Dumpty back together again. As far as this part, then we're gonna tackle that damn battery terminal. Holler back at y'all later. Well, we got the new battery cables on. Here's the new sexiness. This was the old bullshit. Yeah, them motherfuckers is done for. Well, let's show y'all the new wheel lug. That's the new lug nut and stud. Now, is the full lug nuts wheel. Yeah. Well, we just drove her. Got old Humpty Dumpty back together again. Everything is all gravy, except for she needs a alignment. Other than that, we got the new studs over there. Get an alignment. This motherfucker drive like it's brand new. This has been another episode of Fix It Your Motherfucking Self. We'll holler at y'all next time.